Welcome to WP Toffer. So today in this tutorial we will show how to add custom font in Elementor. So Elementor library offer 800 plus different type of Google fonts. But sometimes you need add custom font in your website. So you need to add custom font using Elementor. So let's get started. First of all, we need to log in our WordPress dashboard. After login our WordPress dashboard, we go to the Elementor and click custom font. Now click add new and enter your font name. So we will add this Prequel bold font, so there is the name Prequel fonts and click add font variation. Now you need to upload the two variation. So this is the OP file or font for open font format. So there is some format available. You can font any kind of format upload. So we use OP file, this OP format, and so we download this font from here. After download we will convert it and go to cloud convert. Now select the file, go to desktop and select the font, convert this version and click convert. Now download this font and go to again your website dashboard and click upload and upload this font. Select it, then click publish. Now go to your website page. We create new page. So and click edit Elementor. Select this any widget here, just title, heading, and select the font. Go to style and select the typography, Prequel bold. Prequel font available here, just select it. This is a Prequel font. Okay, this way you can add custom font in your website. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. You will get more video about WordPress.